Hello everyone, are you seeing the message? This content is not available. Try again later on YouTube. Don't worry, you are not alone and this can be fixed easily. See, this is the problem. How to fix it? Okay, let's get started. First, open your phone settings and scroll down. Now tap on the apps option. Now search here YouTube and tap on the YouTube and force stops. Okay, scroll down. Now click on the storage, clear cache and clear data, delete. Okay, go back and now tap on the permission option and allow all permission. Camera allow, contacts allow, location allow, and microphone, nearby devices, notifications, phones, photos and videos. Okay, allow all permission. Okay, go back and now check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. Okay, and restart your phone and reopen it again your phone and go to your Play Store and search YouTube app and check update your YouTube app. Okay, and now uninstall your app and again install YouTube app. Okay, and go back and open your YouTube. I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.